Hi and welcome back to Miss Kate Cuttables 1 Minute Make. Today we are putting together a fall tree. So right here my tape breaks, which is frustrating and makes it take even longer. Sorry about that. Now you can see that there's not too many layers. It just takes a long time. So the hard part is that you just kind of have to glue down the edges, like the tips of all the tree branches, or else they will stick up, and line it up perfectly so you cannot see the color behind it on the branches. So you want the leaves to poke through, but you don't want the branches to poke through, if that makes sense. So when you're laying down the top layers down, I just kind of lined up the tree trunk and then let the branches fall naturally, and then just kind of place them where they needed to go individually. That was the easiest way for me to do it. So this is about 10 by 10. I don't think you'll have any problems cutting it out smaller, just not too small. It cut out pretty easily. So let me know what you guys think about this SVG in the comments down below. Hit the like button and I will see you on the next 1 Minute Make. Thanks for watching.